Hey guys, are you want to buy best DSLR cameras for beginners? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best DSLR cameras for beginners that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Bregu Video Camera Camcorder, the 5K Ultra HD digital video camera is a versatile powerhouse for creators of all levels. Delivering stunning 5K per 20 frames per second and 4K per 60 frames per second videos along with 64MP photos, it ensures cinematic-grade clarity for vlogs, travel films, interviews, or family moments. Its 270° flip screen with a robust metal hinge makes selfies, low-angle shots, and group filming effortless, while the anti-shake feature keeps footage smooth. Designed for immediate use, the camera comes with a full creator bundle, 32GB memory card, dual 1800 mAh batteries, tripod, external noise-reducing mic, lens hood, and remote control, perfect for YouTube beginners or seasoned content creators. Multi-scene readiness, including 16x zoom, IR night vision, time-lapse, slow-mo, and loop recording, expands creative possibilities from cityscapes to late-night adventures. User-friendly features like Wi-Fi control, live streaming, HD output, and recording while charging make it accessible for students, seniors, or anyone new to vlogging. With manual focus and proper distance, this camera combines professional-level quality with intuitive ease, making it a must-have for modern creators. Now our second product is FirePhoto YouTube camera for vlogging. The 4K HD camcorder is a versatile, beginner-friendly device designed to capture life's moments with clarity and ease. Boasting 64MP photos and 4K per 30 frames per second video, it delivers vivid, detailed footage, while the 3.0-inch 270° rotating screen allows for flexible shooting angles. With 18x digital zoom, you can capture distant scenes, making it ideal for travel, family events, or gifting. Equipped with a 1000 mAh battery that supports recording while charging and a 32GB SD card, it ensures uninterrupted shooting for extended sessions. The built-in LED fill light guarantees bright, clear videos even in low-light settings. Remote control support enables effortless group shots, while the 1/4-inch thread port allows tripod attachments. This compact 1.2-pound camera doubles as a webcam for live streaming on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Features like pause function, slow motion, loop, time-lapse, and continuous shooting give creators complete control. Portable, intuitive, and versatile, it's perfect for vloggers, students, and anyone looking to document life professionally and effortlessly. Our third product is Swera Compact Camera for Kids. The 4K Ultra HD digital camera is an ideal entry-level camera for kids and teens, combining high-quality imaging with user-friendly features. Capturing 4K video at 30 FPS and 64MP photos, it turns everyday moments into vivid, cinematic memories. Its durable metal finish ensures longevity, standing out from typical plastic models. Designed for children aged 4 to 15, this point-and-shoot camera is simple to operate, featuring fill light, anti-shake, self-timer, continuous shooting, and 4 fun filter effects. With 18x digital zoom, young photographers can easily capture distant landscapes and family moments. Compact and lightweight at just 0.3 pounds, it fits comfortably in bags or pockets, making it perfect for travel or everyday use. The bundle includes a 32GB memory card, tripod, Type-C charging cable, and camera bag, providing everything needed to start shooting immediately. USB-C support enables fast charging, easy file transfer, and even webcam functionality for video calls. An excellent gift for birthdays or holidays, it encourages creativity and introduces kids to the joy of photography. Now number 4, Ciaxa Digital Cameras for Photography. The Ciaxa 8K UHD digital camera is a powerhouse for vloggers, content creators, and photography enthusiasts seeking exceptional clarity and versatility. Featuring 8K video and an 88MP sensor, it delivers ultra-high-definition videos and stunning photos with fast autofocus, making it easy to capture every detail. Dual front and rear lenses, paired with a 3.2-inch IPS touchscreen, allow for effortless selfies, vlogs, and creative framing from any angle. Built-in Wi-Fi enables instant sharing via the iSmart DV2 app, while 6-axis stabilization ensures smooth, professional-looking videos ideal for social media, live streaming, or YouTube content. The innovative 360° rotary dial allows quick switching between modes like time-lapse, slow motion, portrait, landscape, and filters, offering full creative flexibility. With 16x digital zoom, continuous shooting, built-in flash, and low-light support, this camera captures high-quality images in any setting. The bundle includes a 32GB SD card and 2 large-capacity batteries for extended shooting sessions. Compact yet feature-packed, it's perfect for beginners, teens, and professional creators alike. And our last choice is Nikon DSLR Camera. The Nikon D500 delivers class-leading image quality and performance, rivaling award-winning models with its exceptional ISO range, advanced image processing, and precise metering. Its large 3.2-inch 922K tilting LCD touchscreen provides clear, intuitive control for composing shots from virtually any angle. Equipped with a 51-point autofocus system, including 15 cross-type sensors and group area AF, the D500 ensures fast, accurate focusing even in challenging conditions. Continuous shooting at up to 8 frames per second captures action flawlessly, making it ideal for sports, wildlife, and fast-moving subjects. Video capabilities are equally impressive, with 4K Ultra HD and 1080p Full HD recording, stereo sound, power aperture control, auto ISO, and 4K UHD time-lapse options, providing professional quality footage for creators. Its 35mm 135 format focal length equivalence of 1.5x f(x) lenses adds versatility for various shooting styles, from landscapes to portraits. Compact yet powerful, the D500 combines speed, precision, and advanced features, making it a top choice for serious photographers and videographers who demand professional results in every shot. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video was really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.